So from what I've seen of other hard drives of similar computers of the time is these black outer casing. These are a period correct drive. So this might actually be the original hard drive that was in here. We have 14 May 2005. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna play around with some hard drives and see if I can get this thing to work. So last time I was using this computer here, it said it would not find a hard drive despite the fact that there was a hard drive in there, and it turns out the hard drive's dead. I had one of these. This is a USB IDE SATA to USB adapter, and plugged it into this and gave it some power, and it would not even spin up. So to say things have not been going well for this poor PC would be an understatement. They've been going pretty awful. This is doing its IDE configuration for some reason. It doesn't have a battery on the board, so it has to do this every time I unplug it. Out just in time. This is my wireless adapter, which does work on my Windows 2000 PC, which I'll probably make a video about later. Home Edition is what I installed. XP Professional is what came on the hard drive. XP Professional does not work. Home Edition does, kind of, but it's it won't let me activate Windows. And I have a product key. Hey, check it out, it works. Oh, you must activate Microsoft with Windows before you can log on. Do you want to activate it now? Yes. You can't do anything here. If you close it, it just logs you off. So after thinking like, what are my options really? What I'm deciding to do is I'm going to put Linux on this PC. Linux should hopefully make this old machine come to life again. This thing will not work with Windows XP, and I already have Windows 2000 on a better computer, so I'm just going to use Windows 2000 on that, and this will be a Linux PC, and I will try Linux because I've never tried it before. Go Linux, go! Go Linux! I have to say, Linux is absolutely adorable. I mean, like, all the software has, like, people write their names at the end of it because it's just, like, open source. And I just think it's adorable that you just see everybody's names everywhere because they're so proud of their work, they put their name on it. So far, this is pretty good. It's a little confusing, of course, because I've never used Linux before, except for like maybe a few times, but really didn't get that deep into it. Hopefully I'll get used to it, I'll learn some stuff, and yeah, hopefully I'll have a functioning Linux PC. Well, it works. Got some music playing. It works. Yeah, it works. Everything's good as far as I can tell until I need to do something else, and yeah, so that's the end of that. The disk is also out of the tray. This is running off of the hard drive that's in there, so I need to probably mount the hard drive, and I'm probably going to get some tape and put Linux on here so I know that this PC is my Linux PC, because I do plan on probably having more projects and more different operating system PCs laying around. So, I think that's the end of this video, so thank you for watching, goodbye.